Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. I'm at the McCacken Auto Show in Chicago. Let me give you some details on the 1965 Pontiac GTO. So let's take a ride back to 1965. Pontiac turned up the heat, redesigning the Tempest lineup, headlining by the legendary GTO. It was 3 inches longer and had the same wheelbase as the previous year. Inside, Pontiac revamped the dashboard with an optional rally gauge cluster that included a legible tachometer oil pressure gauge. And get this, cost $86.08. Love the interior, that bright white, great looking wheel and tire setup. Under the hood in 65, the GTO package came with a 389 with a upgrade high-rise intake manifolds, redesigned cylinder heads, boosting the airflow and horsepower. The 389 got 335 horsepower. If you had the tri-power version, you got 360 horsepower. And the GTO 0 to 60 had an impressive 5.8 seconds and a quarter mile of 14.5 at 100 miles an hour. And even the convertible, as we see here, had a 0 to 60 in 7 seconds. Very good looking car. Love the front end. Pontiac built 75,000 units in 1965, so they doubled their production from 64. Great looking car. Hope you enjoyed it. And I did not meet the owner, so I just gave you some information about the car that I thought you would enjoy as we enjoy this beautiful, beautiful looking car. Hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below.